welcome to Paul Corns on Construction. Firstly, congratulations for even finding this channel. With such a low profile on YouTube as a new channel, it's difficult to locate some of the content that you may be looking for. Right here, we're going to talk about all the issues in construction, not necessarily today, but the perceived wisdom of YouTube presenters is that the first thing you should do is start producing some content, whether you're apparently ready or not. So here we are. So today, this morning, I was looking at January's Construction Manager magazine and found a fairly interesting, at least to me, article by Dr. Diana Abduraziz and Dan Keeling titled "The Client Must Lead on Quality." So that's a fairly sort of compelling sentiment. So I thought I'd share some thoughts I have on that. The background to this kind of topic, the construction quality topic, perhaps starts with the Grenfell fire in 2017, which, for those who are not in the UK, was a high-rise tower block. There was a catastrophic fire event that led to large-scale loss of life. And the question was raised about the construction quality of that building. So that was in 2017. Leading on from that, we had the Hackett review of the construction industry and fire safety in buildings in the UK in 2018. And then the year later, CIOB produced their code of practice for quality management in construction. So we've got this increased focus going on about construction quality, and the concept of having a golden thread of information that leads through the design into construction and operation, which sounds like a pretty good idea. And as late as December 2020, CIOB produced its report based on a survey of industry practitioners to see how ready we are and what we know about creating this golden thread that's so key to ensuring that our buildings are safe during operation. So the article then looks at 5 projects and frankly backs up the poor quality sentiments of the Hackett report, in that projects overrun, poor quality leads to rework during the operational phase. In one example, £150 million car park at an airport required 15 million, 10% of the capital value, to be spent on retrospective work to repair the drainage system. Pretty inexcusable for a car park. So that's just one example. All 5 projects follow a similar theme. And what the findings are is that procurement strategies, clients' procurement strategies, particularly ones that are based on the lowest price for a set of data, are one of the root causes to poor quality. And really, what's been argued here, and I tend to agree with this position, is that we should be looking at project performance not just in terms of the triple constraint of cost, schedule and build quality, but actually the operational life of the project, which is difficult to argue against that. And what's recommended here is that clients, architects, contractors and subcontractors all work together in a single aim. And that's fine in principle, but of course, it's not just how clients procure projects, but how main contractors procure their subcontracts. Last minute procurement, no commitment to their supply chain, always keeping the supply chain members in competition with each other up to the very last moment, sometimes too late to even plan a well-documented safe mobilization. Procure on a Friday, start on Monday. Crazy approaches to subcontract procurement that I sometimes see in UK construction. And so while clients can procure slightly differently and procure based on value, what are contractors doing about it? This article summarizes with a statement: clients cannot sit back and expect all to be well. I want to challenge that a little bit. You know, clients vary. Some clients are quite sophisticated and have their own project delivery teams and quality teams who can look at what they're buying. Others are less sophisticated and really do rely on their professional team to provide that expertise and oversight for that built asset that they've commissioned. The question is, what are main contractors doing? How are they engaging with the supply chain? How are they procuring, removing goal conflict and the fragmentation that is apparent in the UK construction industry? So while I agree clients need to lead and set expectations, I think main contractors have to follow through on that. However, that's just my opinion. What do you think? What have you seen in your experience, whether that's in the UK or in another market? I'd be interested to hear your comments. Please subscribe to the channel and comment below. Thanks.